Friends, PSSM is a platform. PSSM is a school of earth. If anybody want to change their life, they must join here in this PSSM. Friends, myself Manoj Kumar. I'm currently living in India. Before I was in Bali. I was Bali in Indonesia. I was teaching meditation there. And we have pyramid in Bali where many people comes there and learn meditation. Friends, let me share a little intro about my journey. So I have started meditation in 2008. Before that, I come to know meditation when I was in 12th standard, but I was not serious, but I was practicing on and off. In 2008, I met an accident. From there, my journey started towards spirituality, to find the truth. I had questions from my childhood. What is the life? Who is the God? Where is the God really? Was God before on this planet Earth? Then he migrated to another planet? Is God is somewhere in different location? And why many people are suffering? What is the life and death? Why somebody is happy, somebody is sad? Why somebody having some disability, health issues? If the God is there, why this partiality? If God means he should look everyone same, why he's showing a partiality? But friends, after coming to meditation, I understood that we are the own creators of our own reality. And we created our life based on our good deeds and bad deeds. So friends, in 2008, I met an accident. From there, I started reading the books, Bhagavad Gita and Shirdi Sai, all other spiritual books, sitting at home and watching spiritual movies, all our Telugu spiritual movies, and reading the spiritual books. So I was reading the Bhagavad Gita. In Bhagavad Gita, I just want to understand essence of Bhagavad Gita. I just start reading the explanation of every sloka. So in that, I take every essence of the Bhagavad Gita. So where I attracted one sloka is Puja Koti Sama Stotra, Stotra Koti Sama Japaha, Japa Koti Sama Dhyana, Dhyana Koti Samolayaha. So if you do 1 crore time puja, that is equal to 1 stotra. 1 crore time stotra, that is equal to japa, 1 japa. 1 crore time japa, that is equal to 1 dhyana. If you practice 1 crore time dhyana, you become one with everyone. You layam. Layam means you merge with this universe. This sloka attracted me and motivated me to do more meditation. I don't know where the meditation center before. I just watching the spiritual reality and practicing. Then I started searching meditation center nearby my home. That time I was pursuing my MBA. I have completed my first year. Then I moved to the second year. I didn't go to the college because I want to find the truth. I want to understand the truth. I used to go to the Pyramid Meditation Center. I meditate there, back to home, have a lunch, go there, meditate there, back to home, have a dinner, and meditate and sleep there. So I used to sleep there and meditate in the midnight. Hours and hours, my dear friends. Hours and hours I used to meditate to find the truth, to find happiness. Everybody is looking for happiness. Everybody wants health. Everybody wants joy. But we are not at the right place to learn. We are looking everything outside, but we are not going inside. And we don't know how to live the life. But after coming to PSSM, in this school, in the School of Spiritual Science Education, here learning how to live the life, how to live happy in every moment, how to live joyfully. So friends, after practicing meditation hours and hours, I feel so many pains in my body, so much heaviness. So many things are leaving from me. Even at the time of accident also, I felt that something is leaving from me. Something is good coming to my life. I believe from childhood karma science. Whatever happening in my life, whatever you are doing, that comes back to you. I used to ask my friends or my elders or my family members, so you are doing the wrong thing. You know that the karma will punish you, but still you are doing. Because don't care. When the problems comes in our life, we understood, oh, I should not do that. Again, after a few days, everything is okay. Then again, we are doing the same wrong. Only friends, when we start doing meditation, we understand that what to do, what not to do. Before my life, I was a negative fellow, a negative thinking. I had many bad habits. So after starting meditation, it's not gone immediately, slowly, step by step. And so many lessons comes, so much understanding from every situation. So it not gone away immediately, all my bad habits, slowly. Really, I was very idiot before meditation. After coming to meditation, I am purifying myself. I can see my darkness, which darkness I'm carrying. So that is the reason I cannot able to see the light. If I filled with darkness, how can I see the light? Whatever I have inside, I can only see. So after practicing meditation hours and hours, I can see my evil inside me. So we think that the problems and evil persons outside. No, the evil is inside our own darkness. So with the darkness, we can't see our life. We only see the problems because you have that problem inside. So after doing this, I can find my darkness. I started working on it. And then I met Patriji. After meeting Patriji, my hometown is Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh. So after meeting Patriji, my journey started in teaching meditation. And he said, if you learn A, teach A. If you learn B, teach B. Before that, I was somewhat, how can I teach? I just started meditation. A few months ago, I just started. Then he said, you just do whatever you know. Just teach how to practice meditation, observing your natural breath. Is there any difficult to share that one? No? So friends, from there, I used to go to the schools and colleges and teaching meditation. So while teaching, I felt real happiness, my dear friends. Before that, if I wear a new dress, I feel happy. If I get something new, if I bought some new product, I feel happy. But I felt real happiness when I started teaching meditation. Wow. Then I see that, then I feel that, wow, this is the real happiness. We people attached with all the material things, and we are thinking that this is the happiness. But that is not. When you help somebody, if you see the happiness from their face, that is a true happiness. That is also a true service that we can do others. that we can help others. See, friends, in this meditation is a not 1 day or 2 day or 1 month or 41 days journey. No, it's a continuous journey. We are here to learn every time and everywhere, in every situation, every lesson, from everyone. So in this journey, I just moved to the next level. I got a job and I moved to the Chennai, and there I started working. So in 2012, I resigned my job again in 2012. I completely into service. My entire life, if I look back to the 10 or 9 years, I fully into the service in physical work, organizing sessions and distributing a pamphlet, organizing vegetarian rally, all those. Because that made me more happy. I want to do something. I want to help others. So I came to meditation, just find the truth and helping others. I only understood after coming here the true service, helping others that and saying that you are not body and you are not mind, you are the soul and you are the light being, you are the divine being. Who will say this word? Nobody say. Only in PSSM says that you are the soul and you are the divine being, you are infinite being. So when you think about you are the soul and you are infinite being, your thoughts and your mind, everything changes. You think that you are not limited. You're infinite being. You everywhere in this universe, everywhere you are there. So here we are learning many things. These are motivating me to do more and more work, to do more service others. Whatever I wanted to do, I can able to do with my thoughts, with my power of meditation. So in this process, I got married. I was looking for the woman who has the same thoughts and same feelings like, service, doing service, helping others and spirituality. So I come to know her and we match together our thoughts and our feelings. Then I married her. And why we continue this meditation journey that also happen in meditation. So everything, whatever we want to manifest, you had some thoughts and you have some desires to manifest, that happens through meditation, only by emptying your mind. With busy mind, we can't do anything. Only with our empty mind, we can able to do anything. So friends, why we need meditation? Is the meditation is a new word? No, the meditation is a not new word. Dhyana is a not new word. Only now we are understanding and practicing. Before this meditation, this dhyana, only for few people located in Rishikesh or Haridwar or Himalayas. People are traveling from other countries and states to that place to learn meditation. And our ancestors also practicing meditation. But now, after Patriji educating everyone about this meditation, now it's widespreading everywhere in this world. Every corner. In the current situation, the PSSM plays a major role to spread the meditation. By just watching videos, by listening others' experiences, the spiritual reality video, that is the ultimate video, talks about meditation. By watching that video, many people in many countries are practicing meditation. So friends, everybody need a meditation to come out from our own darkness, for self-healing, for happiness, for complete health. So let me share the presentation on benefits and experiences of meditation. So friends, there are many benefits by practicing meditation. Those who are here and practicing meditation, definitely they got benefits, whatever they really needed at this moment. Some people have a problem with the health. They cure, and they will be healthy and happy just by practicing meditation. So here I list out a few benefits of meditation. The main benefits: immediate healing. So when you start observing your breath, start practicing your meditation, you can feel the healing is happening inside you. The healing happens everywhere in your body, every corner of your body. We need this healing, friends. For this one, we are looking outside. We are getting somebody's help. No, you can heal yourself just by observing your breath, just by accessing the divine energy, cosmic energy, and enhancing memory power. This one I experienced when I practicing meditation during my college days. Before I was mugging the sentences and paragraph. And again, I used to repeatedly read. But after practicing meditation, I observe that my repetition are reduced. I can remember. Even during examination, if I something not remember, I just close my eyes. Immediately I got that one. The sentence, whatever I missed. Those are students. This meditation definitely helpful for them to increase their memory power. And wasteful habits die. Yes, I'm the best example. I had a bad habits. I had a negative thoughts. After doing meditation, it's gradually, it is not immediately, because these are habits not from this lifetime, many lifetimes. We carried from many lifetimes. Those are gradually leaving from you by understanding. So these wasteful habits naturally die. You have to just practice meditation and work becomes efficient. Yes, this also, when I working in MNC, I observed that my work become more and more efficient. My boss give that some task to do and allocated to few people. So I can able to do it quick and faster by introducing various methods, various techniques. I don't know, that is a new technique for me, but I do experiment there, then and there. Then I can able to do it immediately. So because of meditation, friends. And sleep time is reduced. Yes. 1 hour meditation is equal to 6 hours sleep. 1 hour meditation. 1 hour meditation means emptiness, my dear friends. Sitting and not thinking. If you are in 1 hour emptiness, meditation means emptiness. Meditation means silence. If you are in 1 hour in silence and emptiness, that is equal to 6 hours meditation, 6 hours sleep. So you can practice. You can do other work. Why we need sleep? When you get tired. So when you get the tired, obviously you need a sleep, isn't it? You're tired, then your bones and muscles need a sleep, need a rest. Your body need a rest. You don't think about anything. Even you find a place wherever on the floor, you can lie down and sleep because your body need a rest because you're tired. If you practice meditation, immediately you will be refreshed. You will be energetic. And qualitative relationships, my dear friends. Just now, our friend Divya said that qualitative relationships. The current situation, everywhere, have a problem with relationships. Wife and husband, parents and children, relatives. Why we have a problem with them? Because we didn't understand each other. We didn't understand. We didn't tune what really they need, what really we need. So then the problem arises. So when you understand each other, there will not be any problem, only understanding. So lack of this, there is so many problems and so many diverses happening. After practicing meditation, my dear friends, your understanding level increased. You know that why you are in that relationship, why you married this person, why you have chosen these parents, why you are with this associated with these relatives or other relationship. You will understand. So there is some lesson to learn from everyone. You may be learning lesson from your wife. You may be learning lesson from your husband. So these are the lessons. When you understand, then your lesson completed. Then you will have a smooth, full, a qualitative relationship. Only understanding. And power of thought. Your manifestation power increased, my dear friends. You can manifest anything by focusing on one thing, no other second thought. So wherever you focus your energy, there it goes. So if you have such a one thought to do, you want to manifest, you want to construct a big house, or you want to buy a car, or you want to get a job, or whatever, or you want to teach meditation to 1,000 people, or you want to spread meditation the whole world. Only one thought, that is a seed. And you have to pour water every time without negative thought. Again, should somebody come, hey, you can't do it. How it is possible? And suddenly you're going down. If you accept it, if you know that I can do anything, then you will add more water. Yes, I can do it. I can manifest my thought. I know that I am infinity being. I can able to do anything with my own energy, with my own thought power, with my own meditation. If you develop such kind of mindset, such kind of strength in you, you must practice meditation. You will gain the strength. You can deal every situation. Then you can go forward. So friends, by practicing meditation, you get many, many benefits. You will understand the true purpose of your life. Then you will work on that. And you don't compare with anybody. I was comparing with my relatives and my friends. Always. If my cousin pursuing a chartered account, I wanted to do it. I want to earn money. But I have a desire, I have a strength in another way, another job. But there I get a small money. But I like to do. But when comparing with others, oh, I'm earning less money. Then we do whatever others do. Finally, we ended up with dissatisfaction. And we are also struck in that way. By comparing others, we struck in that way. We cannot able to complete the task because you are not good in that particular task or particular job. But whichever you love, whichever you're passionate, if you do that one, you will succeed in your life. We must understand that we're all here to learn and we don't carry anything from this planet Earth. Before I had a thought to earn more money, more money, more money. I want to show up to everyone, to relatives, to my friends. I'm this and that. After coming to meditation, I understood this money only temporary to live in this lifetime. Whatever you need, you required food and shelter to live a life with your family, a basic needs. And only thing you can develop and expand your wisdom, your soul wisdom. And you can help others how much you want it. This goodness you can carry with you. This wisdom you can carry with you. We came alone from mother womb, right? Even with this cloth, we didn't come with these cloths. We just came from mother womb with empty. And we also leave from this planet Earth with empty. No properties, nothing. No money, nothing. Only the wisdom. We carry the wisdom from our past lives and we take it again, that wisdom, to the next life. That only we have to focus, my dear friends. So after practicing meditation, only these types of thoughts changes. Otherwise, we will be attached with all the material things, all the material world. So when you attach it with the material wheels, all the problems and worries, you can attach and also detach. So when you attach to all these material worlds, which is not permanent, which is not you can carry, then there will be problems. Then there will be challenges. We don't understand why it's happening. We are stuck there. We are finding the way. We lose our health. We lose our happiness. We can't spend with time with our friends, our family. We started actually to find a job at something, to manifest or to do the work or to gain more money, to live happy. But while doing that one, we don't get happiness. So friends, the true happiness comes only by practicing meditation and being in the middle path. Being in the middle path. So friends, these are all the benefits of meditation. So more you practice meditation, more you get more benefits. More understand about you. First of all, we will understand about us, not others. First, we will understand. Oh, this is Manoj. What kind of Manoj this? Is a good person or bad person? Is this is selfish or greedy? Oh, if he's selfish, I should not be selfish. I should be helpful others. If I am greedy, I should not be greedy. I have to remove this one. If I'm arrogant, no, I should not be. I have to work on it. So purification. So because of these qualities, because of these negative qualities, we are taking many lifetimes purifying. We have to, if we learn these lessons and purify, then no need to come again this planet Earth. Only for learning these, we are landed here and learning by doing various activities. By doing various activities, lessons comes. When the lessons comes, we know that what we are, how we are handling. So if you learn that lesson, you are moving to the next. If you are not learn that lesson, and again same lesson comes with intensity, with a double. So friends, meditation is a purification process. Meditation removes your darkness and brings the more and more light in you. And after practicing meditation, your perception changes, your opinions changes. See, whatever you have inside, that you can only see that with your opinions. If you have opinions, so and so, this person is like that, you only see that. You don't see the goodness on him or her. You have something in your mind, you only project the same. If you have a goodness, you only project the goodness, you only see the goodness. See, whatever you have inside, that you can see outside. So we need to develop goodness. We need to develop positivity. So we need to expand our consciousness by learning about us, learning about mind, learning about thoughts, learning about soul. How can we do all this? Just by practicing meditation, just by reading books and helping others. So friends, please remember that meditation is a powerful tool. And this help you anywhere and anytime, in any situation. Just close your eyes and observe your breath. And you can practice anytime and anywhere. If your age is 30 years, 30 minutes. 40 years, 40 minutes. There is no limit. This is a minimum. If you want to sit whole day, you can do it. If you want to sit 1 week, you can do it. We have to find our own true nature. Only by stopping mind, we can understand who we are. So once you know yourself, then everything is easy, my dear friends. Otherwise, we will be stuck in this life. We don't know the reasons. We always complain others. We always gossip others. Because of you, my life is like this. Because of you, my life is like this. I was doing this. I was doing this. After coming to meditation, I realized I am the responsible for my life. If I want to change my life, I have to change myself, not others. Change myself. So friends, it's a very easy. See, changing others is difficult. Changing you is easy, right? For others, very difficult. You can't go and change them. But if you change yourself, naturally those who are disturbing you, those who are troubling you, they leave from you because you changed. You learn your lessons. If you learn your lessons, clear, you're moving to the next. Again, next lesson, friend. Lessons always there. Exams always there in this journey. So this is a never-ending journey. So friends, please remember, meditation is a powerful tool, and practice more and more meditation whenever, wherever you have time. So I was 41 days in silence and taking a liquid food in 2012 because I want to be there. I want to experience these 41 days. And many people saying that, oh, 41 days, and some people were there in silence 1 year and taking only liquid food. I experienced it. So during my resignation period, 1 year, I dedicated my time for 41 days. I don't know whether I get again 41 days if I started working. So that time, 41 days, hours and hours meditation only by taking liquid food and silence. Wow, what is the life? What I was missing all those days. Because by talking, by thinking unnecessarily, by seeing, we lose so much energy. We lose so much energy. These are the main reasons. Complaints, more thinking, more worries, not living in this present moment, worrying about the past and worrying about the future. In this way, we are losing the energy. So our thoughts charges energy, 1%, 2%, 3%. More worries, more you lost. So if you want to preserve your energy, if you want to keep energetic yourself, you must stop thinking unnecessarily. There I realized by 41 days when I was in silence, I realized the power of silence. Then I started talking on 42 days, my throat, vibrating. Because I was in complete silence, I stored my energy. When I start talking, I feel some vibration, sweating also coming. And from there, I only speak whatever I needed. I only listen whatever good for me. No complaints, no gossips, no. I also observed by doing complaint others, by gossiping on others, I lose energy because I become a sensitive. So these are the ways we have to protect ourselves. By not doing all this, by only doing meditation. So friends, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to share this benefits and my journey of meditation. So our motto of PSSM is to spread meditation everywhere and every corner of this planet Earth, and many people are working for this purpose, for this mission to energize this planet Earth. Many people. So please everyone join us and practice meditation and spread meditation everywhere. So thank you, friends. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.